This is not your typical review. No unboxing, no gimmicks, just pure data analysis. After going through expert reviews and real user feedback, I'll tell you whether the Vivo V50 is worth buying or not. Let's dive in. Design and build. The Vivo V50 comes in 3 colors: titanium gray, starry night, and rose red. Now, here's something interesting. The titanium gray variant has a plastic composite back, while the other 2 come with a glass back, giving them a more premium feel. The phone is slim, measuring around 7.4 mm to 7.7 mm, and weighs between 189 to 199 grams. It also has an IP68 and IP69 rating, making it water and dust resistant, even against high-pressure jets. That's impressive for this price range. 1. Premium design. 2. IP68, IP69 water resistance. 3. Plastic back on titanium gray variant. Display. Now, let's talk about the display. It's a 6.77-inch AMOLED panel with a 120 Hz refresh rate and 4500 nits peak brightness. In simple terms, it's bright, smooth, and great for outdoor use. But here's a downside. While the resolution is 1080p, some competitors are offering sharper displays at this price. 1. Bright and smooth AMOLED display. 2. No LTPO panel. 3. Lower resolution than competitors. Performance. Under the hood, the phone packs the Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 chipset with the Adreno 720 GPU. It's a decent mid-range processor, efficient for daily tasks and casual gaming. But don't expect flagship-level performance. Here's something to keep in mind. Vivo is using LPDDR4X RAM and UFS 2.2 storage, which are slower compared to LPDDR5 and UFS 3.1 found in some rival phones. So, app loading and multitasking might not feel as fast. 1. Power-efficient chipset. 2. Older RAM and storage technology. Camera. Let's move to the cameras. The Vivo V50 features a dual 50MP rear camera setup, 1 main sensor with OIS and an ultra-wide sensor. The front camera is also 50MP, which is great for selfies. In daylight, photos are sharp and well-balanced. But at night, there's some noticeable noise despite OIS. Video recording is limited to 4K at 30 frames per second, which is fine, but some competitors offer 4K at 60 frames per second for smoother footage. 1. Great daylight photography. 2. 50MP ultra-wide and selfie camera. 3. Night photography could be better. 4. No 4K at 60 frames per second. Battery and charging. Battery life is one of this phone's biggest strengths. It has a 6,000 mAh battery, which easily lasts 1.5 to 2 days on moderate use. Charging is also fast. The 90-watt fast charger takes it from 0 to 100% in under 50 minutes. But keep in mind, there's no wireless charging support. Massive 6,000 mAh battery. Fast 90-watt charging. No wireless charging. Now, the most important question: who should buy this phone and who should skip it? 1. Casual users. If you need a phone for social media, watching videos, and occasional photography, this is a good choice. 2. Content creators. If you create Instagram Reels or vlogs, this phone is okay. The 50MP camera is useful, but video quality isn't the best. 3. Gamers. If you play heavy games like PUBG or Genshin Impact, this is not the best option. The Snapdragon 7 Gen 3 is good, but not optimized for high-end gaming. Final verdict. So, should you buy the Vivo V50? Buy if you want. 1. Premium design and water resistance. 2. Bright AMOLED display with 120 Hz. 3. Long battery life with fast charging. 4. Good camera for casual photography. Avoid if you need. 1. Flagship-level gaming performance. 2. Top-tier video recording. 3. The latest RAM and storage technology. If you want a stylish phone with good battery life and decent cameras, the Vivo V50 is a solid pick. But if gaming or pro-level video recording is your priority, you might want to look at alternatives. That's it for this data-driven review of the Vivo V50. If this helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Techtribe Zone. Drop a comment below. Will you buy this phone, or are you considering another option? See you in the next one.